Solving Quadratic Word Problems, a step-by-step guide. Hello learners! Welcome to another lesson on GMAT and GRE math concepts. Today, we will tackle quadratic word problems. If you've ever wondered how to translate real-world scenarios into algebraic expressions and solve them, you're in the right place. Quadratic word problems involve situations that can be represented using quadratic equations. These equations are of the form x2 plus bx plus c equals 0, x squared plus bx plus c equals 0, x2 plus bx plus c equals 0. Typical scenarios might involve areas, trajectories, or any context where the relationship is quadratic in nature. Area problems. These problems might ask you to find the dimensions of a rectangular field given its area and a relationship between its length and width. Projectile problems. These relate to objects thrown or propelled. The height of the object can often be represented as a quadratic function of time. Price and revenue problems. Sometimes, the relationship between price, demand, and revenue can be quadratic. 1. Understand the problem. Read the problem carefully and identify the unknowns. This will often be quantities you need to find. 2. Translate into an equation. Based on the relationship given in the problem, write down a quadratic equation. This might involve expressing one quantity in terms of another. 3. Solve the equation. Use methods like factoring, the quadratic formula, or completing the square to find the values of the unknowns. 4. Interpret the solution. Always check if the solutions make sense in the context of the problem. For instance, negative lengths or times might not be feasible. 5. Verify. Once you have a solution, it's a good idea to plug it back into the original problem to ensure it's correct. When you translate words into an equation, look out for phrases like is, which often means equals, or more than, which can translate to plus. Sketching or drawing might help you visualize the problem better. Not all quadratic equations will have real solutions. In the context of the word problem, this could mean there's no feasible solution to the given scenario. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to understanding and solving quadratic word problems. With practice, you'll soon become adept at translating words into equations and finding solutions. Remember, the key is to understand the problem thoroughly and then apply the right techniques. We hope this video has been helpful and illuminating. Happy studying, and see you in the next lesson.